Hi guys, so here we go again. Hi. With an unboxing. I'm trying to beef up my Cabbage Patch collection since I started collecting them. Look at this box, guys. This is supposed to be two beautiful vintage soft sculpture twins, and it's been taking a really long time to get to me, and they finally arrived. They were late, delayed. I'm a little worried about this. But anyway, I'm trying to beef up the collection and get some of the dolls that I've wanted for a while as I'm getting back into collecting and dusting the dolls off, taking them out of the closet, giving them the attention and the love that they deserve, displaying them, because I had them in my master closet, all of my vintage soft sculptures, and all of my Colecos just for years, I moved out to Arizona from New Jersey, and I kind of put them in there. They were on a shelf so I could see them when I went in there, but nobody else could really enjoy them. So I decided finally, after this crazy year with the pandemic, that I needed to spark joy and that I was going to see my babies again and take them out. So here we go. These are a set of vintage soft sculpture twins. Let's see if they're okay. I don't look like the bags are punctured or anything in this squished box that I received. So hopefully these girls are looking okay. I bought them from one of the, SFP sales website. So we have this pretty girl. I don't think they have any papers or anything. That's not always that important to me, because if I know I'm not going to resell them, I just want them for my collection. I kind of make my own name tags, and I have a laminating machine. Yeah, I'm that crazy with it. And I give them my own names, and I put them on their little wrists. You might have seen that with some of my posts, if you have seen any of my posts in the CPK groups, that I have those little hand tags that I put on them. So here's one of the twins. She's a cutie. How adorable. I like to give them old-fashioned names. I like to get the names from whatever their original names are. I tend to want to keep them. I like getting their unique names. I had one from my order yesterday from Babyland that I changed her middle name. That was Claire Kyla. I thought when I first read it, it was Claire Lila. So when I saw it was Claire Kyla, which didn't flow off the tongue to me, I just asked them to modify the one letter and make it Claire Lila. But typically I like to keep the names. But if they don't come with names, then I really like to think of names either that have some significance in my life. Here's the other little girl. Isn't she a cutie? And I apologize, you could hear my parakeets going to town, chirping up there. They're kind of noisy in the mornings. It's still morning here. So here's the other twin. Let's see them together. Aren't they cute? They're adorable. A couple of vintage twins. So I'm going to need to give them names. And I like to give them old-fashioned names. I have a doll that looks similar to these. What is her name? I can't remember now, but one of my dolls is Mabel, Ethel, things like that. I like to give them those old-fashioned names. So let me kind of put them over here so you guys can maybe see them as I continue to open and talk. I have to be quick because I'm a teacher. I teach online. I have a home classroom, and that's kind of my doll room, which I'll do a video on that, I think, soon, kind of showing my collection all over the house, but mainly in my doll room, which is my online teaching classroom. It reminds me of what it was like to feel like a kid and be a kid as I'm teaching kids, so it makes me happy. But there's those girls, and I think I have a couple more things here. I'm about to have a class in 5 minutes, so I need to do this quickly. I have a live Zoom class I need to teach. So this might be another doll, guys. That's kind of a big box, right? I've been ordering a lot of things lately. It's bad when you're I don't know what this is. But I will say I'm blessed and lucky that I can afford to make some of these dreams for my doll collection come true. I did lose my job, my teaching job of 8 years that I had teaching adult education on a Native American reservation. I lost it during the corona pandemic because they had to make cuts. They had shut us down for like 2 or 3 months and paid us, and we were home doing nothing, and then we came back and they realized they needed to make cuts. And so my teaching position, unfortunately, was one of the ones to go, which was kind of shocking because I was there for so long. It felt very secure before that, so it was a bit of a surprise. So I had to find something else, and I decided I wanted to, during the pandemic, be able to be home for my daughter and teach still and teach online. So I started to make my own little home teaching business, and I love it. So it was a blessing in disguise. And then I can have a doll teaching room. It's great. All right, guys, here's another beautiful vintage girl I wanted. I have a Kid for All Season collection. So this was the last one I needed. Well, technically, I thought I had Autumn, but I didn't. So she's on the way. I have a girl that looks like her, but I realized it wasn't her. So I have her on the way. But now I have the whole collection. I'm just waiting for that last one to arrive. But this was the one I thought was the last one I needed, which is Crystal, the Winter Girl. So here's the tag. And it says A Kid for All Seasons, Crystal. She's the Winter Girl. So when I show my collection, I'll show them. I have Morton. He's for spring in the rain jacket, the little baldy guy. And then I'm going to have Autumn. She's in a cheerleader outfit, pink and green. And then I have Summer, who's in a cute little swimsuit. I have another package, guys, from eBay. And I've been mainly ordering doll stuff, so let's see what's in this one. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, this little girl fell over. Let me set them up more nicely. There you go. You can see them better now, right? Aren't they adorable? So, let's see what's in this one. There's certain things in my, I had a lot of dolls already. Like a lot of soft sculptures and Colecos. And I'm not really into the mass market Cabbage Patch Kids that came after Coleco. I have a few special editions that came out. And if there's something really strikes me when I see it, I'll get it. But typically, I like the traditional. I always had the vintage soft sculptures because they were the ones that started it all, right? And then Coleco, which really started the craze. The first mass market kids to start the craze. So those are my favorites. But I did get that order yesterday of the video I did of the unboxing from Babyland, which was awesome, which was my first modern new for soft sculptures, hand-stitched babies. Big kids though, the big full-size one from Babyland, which was so exciting for me. Alright, and here's, this is one of the ones I got on Mercari, I think. And this is an adorable Lemon Luke girl who I will be sending through bath camp and making her more beautiful. Look at her bow. She looks like so sad. Like at the end of the night at the party, and you're looking a little rough, but anyway, she's going to look great the next time you see her in my collection with the others. She's going to look great. I'm going to wash her all up. I put them in a pillowcase typically and throw them right in the washing machine, and they usually come out great. I do that with both the soft sculptures and the Coleco kids because, in my opinion, yeah, you might take a slight risk, but they've always come out great for me personally. And I don't like a dirty, smelly doll in my house. And I don't know, what conditions they've come from. And I like to make sure that they're clean and smell good so I can touch them and pick them up and hold them. I know that my daughter can do. And we're all going to be good. So there they are. That's Cabbie mail for today for me. And this little girl, I think she's in Taiwan. Let's check her tag, guys. I think she is a Taiwan. which I like the Taiwans. I tend to think they have really nice complexion. She is an IC6 factory, I think, and it says made in Taiwan. And I think they have like almost porcelain-like complexions, the Taiwans. I really love them from the Coleco ones. So there they are. That's just for today. You can see I'm going Cabbie crazy lately, but I am so happy to be back into collecting again and to be blessed to have a job that allows me to do so. So have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll do another video with more of my unboxings probably, and showing you my online teaching classroom, my doll room, which is like so cool. So